Hi, Levi. What an exciting thing today to be able to talk to you more about receiving the Most Caring Award in Denver. And I'd like to introduce Natalie Fabiani, who's going to tell you more about the award.
So, first of all, congratulations, Levi and the entire Brothers team. We are giving you the Most Caring Company Award in Denver for just doing an amazing job supporting the community with your COVID response and also just being a part of so many organizations, awards, and having so many people love you in the community. I think it is really important that you know that iConnect You appreciates you and all the hard work that you've put into everything. And I was wondering if you could share a short story about how you've been giving back to your community.
Yeah, absolutely. Brothers does quite a bit for the community. The community is very important to Brothers Plumbing, Heating, Electric. For instance, we have a we have we have something we do throughout the year, every year, and we actually do it every month, and that's Brothers Gives Back. That's our Brothers Gives Back program, and every month we pick a nonprofit or an individual. Sometimes it's an individual in our community that needs help, and most of the time, almost all of those are within the Denver metro area. And then we donate $1,000 towards that nonprofit. We typically, of course, before COVID, we'd have them come in the office, meet with us, and then we would give them a book. We have the Butterfly Effect book that we hand out to those recipients, those monthly recipients, and that talks just about one good deed passes on and on and on. So we hand them one of those books. We also hand them a letter, and then of course the check for $1,000. Not all of those tend to be like that. We do have some cases throughout the year that come. I can think about this last year in the summer, just this summer, with COVID and everything going on within Denver and within the world, but here in Denver metro area, I got a call in the office from one of our local news stations, and we had a very hot summer here in Denver. And when it's a hot, dry heat here, very dry, and we had a family that their unit got stolen, and their air conditioning unit got stolen, and people tend to steal them for scrap metal and parts. And it was a brand new AC unit that it literally just been installed in that home, but not from was somebody else from Brothers. We didn't install the unit, but we got a call from the news, and they had heard about our Brothers Gives Back program and thought maybe we could help them out. So we already had a Brothers Gives Back recipient for that month, but we thought we got to help this family. I mean, it was 100 degrees, and we got to take care of those people. They had 4 children in a little townhome, and so what we did, we couldn't get over there. It was a rental property. They were dealing with the landlord. It was this whole mix up, and they hadn't slept in 2 or 3 days because of the heat in the home. So we went and we picked up from our distributor 3 of those mobile air conditioning units that go inside the house, and we delivered them over, installed them in the house, 2 upstairs and 1 in the main living area, so that they could take care. They could be comfortable and safe. To be honest with you, more safe than anything. When I actually went out there, when we installed the units and we got in the home, it was 96 degrees inside their home. So that's extremely unsafe to live like that. And not only uncomfortable, but unsafe. So we have the Brothers Gives Back program, and it's really nice to give back. And the community is such a big part of Brothers. The community takes care of us, and we take care of the community, and that's how it works. Without the community, there would not be a Brothers Plumbing, Heating, Electric. So it's a big part of what we do, and it's actually in our mission statement. It's we care, and we talk about it all the time. Actually, we do employee surveys annually, and we just finished ours this week, our employee surveys, and we talked about it with all the different technicians and our customer service department and whatnot. Inside those meetings is the we care, and so often we talk about how much we care about our customers in the community, but we also care about our technicians and our employees. Those are our people, right? That's who makes up Brothers, and that's who is in the community representing Brothers. And we just care deeply, and that's a big part of the model of Brothers, and it's part of the culture. So
Well, that's amazing. And that's one of the main reasons why we're so, so happy to award Brothers the Most Caring Company Award. It's been such a
appreciate it.
pleasure getting to know you, getting to know the
Yeah.
team, and as well as just seeing all the wonderful work that you're doing throughout the Denver area and just being a great example for other companies. So, congratulations, Brothers.
Yeah,
Thank
and
you.
am I right that Brothers has one of the highest scores that we've had so far in the country?
Absolutely. You definitely do have one of the highest scores that we've ever seen, and that has a lot to do with just how amazing you treat your technicians, your team, how happy your service is, and how many people just love you in the area. So,
The
we're
outside
appreciate
area. Yeah,
That's
I think this is our 6th or 7th award we've given Levi, and you guys have done the best. So
That's awesome. I
awesome.
really appreciate it.
Well, thank you. Any